Hoatzin is a bird that lives in the Amazon rainforest and has a smell similar to feces, which makes predators stay away from it. It does not have good flying skills and mostly moves with its legs on tree branches. It has brown feathers with yellow and smoky spots. Hello dear friends, I hope you are healthy. Today's video is about a bird with strange and interesting characteristics called Hoatzin. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel to see videos from the world of biology and health. The Hoatzin is a unique and distinctive bird that is recognized for its special characteristics. This bird has a smell similar to feces, which helps it stay away from predators. Also, Hoatzins have large wings and funny movements when flying. One of the interesting features of this bird is its special digestive system, which has bacteria that help digest the cellulose in the leaves. Their body color is usually brown with yellow and smoky spots and is very eye-catching. The Homer bird lives in areas with a warm and humid climate, especially in the Amazon rainforest and along the large Amazon rivers. This bird is usually seen in areas with many trees and dense vegetation, because it likes to feed on soft leaves and growing plants among the plants. The life cycle of the Homer bird includes the stages of egg laying, incubation and growth of the chicks. This bird usually lays eggs during the rainy season. This bird lays about 2 to 4 eggs per clutch, and the chicks hatch approximately 35 to 40 days after laying. After hatching, the chicks need special care and are fed by their parents. These chicks grow slowly and after a while they use larger food. Homer bird chicks naturally have nails on their wings. These nails help them move better among the foliage of trees and stay hidden from dangers. This feature allows them to easily climb trees and use them to hang from branches, until they reach puberty and start flying for real. The Homer bird has several strange and interesting characteristics. The most important of these is that this bird does not have any good flying skills and relies mostly on the ground or trees to escape danger and find food. Instead of flying, Homers use their legs to move from tree to tree. Also, their special smell, which comes from feeding on fermented leaves, warns predators and keeps them away from danger. Homer bird reproduction usually begins during the rainy season. These birds mate a little later than other birds, and pairs usually form strong bonds for their lives together. Homer bird eats soft and young leaves of plants and trees. They are especially fond of feeding on aquatic plants and tropical plants. This bird is able to feed on leaves that are poisonous to other birds, and this ability, along with its special digestive system, helps them to easily benefit from available food sources. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it was interesting for you. Thank you for staying with us until the end of the video.